Hi you guys, it's Marcy. Welcome back to my channel. So I know I said that I was going to wait until next week to do my planner video. However, I am just too darn excited. I freaking love this thing. It's beautiful, it's functional, it's so fun, it's big, it's bulky. Anyways, so today I'm going to do the rundown of how I organize it and what I keep in it and everything. Now, I use this as my wallet, and so that's why it's very functional for me. But I have all of my tabs and dashboards and everything, and I'm going to go over it all here in a second. But what I wanted to tell you is this was a $25 planner. It was purchased from Webster Pages, and I only bought the actual agenda itself. I did not buy inserts or anything from them. But anyways, I wanted to purchase this one because the one I want is really expensive, and so I'm having to save my money for it, which I'm just fine doing. And then hopefully my husband will take me to the store to actually get the full experience of purchasing the one I want. So anyways, without further ado, I will show you what's inside. Okay, so here is my planner, and I purchased this planner clip off of Etsy. It's super cute. It has tons of different types of ribbon hanging from it. Anyways, you just attach it to the ring inside. I'm going to go ahead and open this up, and this is my planner. So if you see, the ring attaches right here, and then it's on a clip. So anyways, okay, so this front side has a little pocket back here, and it has 3 pockets here, which at the time I thought were for business cards and debit cards and things like that. However, it is not. If you look, it doesn't even fit. So that was pretty disappointing, but I figured for 25 bucks it would at least get me by until I can get the planner I really want. So anyways, right here I just printed my logo, the Rusty Blonde, and put it here. Right here I have a dashboard, and then this is a little page marker. I purchased some PDF images off of Etsy, and then I created my own page markers throughout the book. So this is my front dashboard. I just think it's so pretty. This one again I purchased, and if I forget to say it during the video, I will link all of these shops that I purchased from and where I got all of my stuff. A lot of the envelopes and such are purchased from Amazon too, so I will link whatever I can down below. So coming to the next page, this is, I just love this. I made this dashboard to hold all of my little sticky notes, and it's just super fun. I used washi tape here and then added a bow here for the tab. So that is also a PDF that I printed from one of the Etsy shops. Here's another one. I made a page clip out of this adorable model, and I just think she's so cute. But her heels hang off, her head hangs at the top, and then her bag is used as a marker on the side. I have my yearly calendar, which I just made in Excel. I printed on cardstock and laminated it. This here is a dashboard marking my notes section. I purchased this from an Etsy shop, and it was pretty narrow, and then the top was a little bit longer than the bottom, and I had a little bit of my OCD coming out, but anyways, I trimmed it all down to size it how I wanted it. I added washi tape here to get me a little bit more width here, and then I laminated it, I re-laminated it, and then hole punched it where I wanted it. So that turned out really cute. I'm really happy about that. This here are just note pages, and I purchased these sets from, what is it? It's called Minted Sugar. So I just loved it because it was just like traditional lined notebook paper. So anyways, and then I have this tab here, and this pops in and out, which is great, so you can move it easily. But this is where I keep, this is now getting into my YouTube section. And so this is a Chanel little lipstick page marker. I just think it's so adorable. So anyways, this is all just blocked off so that I don't give away what videos I'm coming up with. This was another PDF, so I made a dashboard out of it, and I just put these books up here and turned it into a tab as well. And this is my April calendar. I just keep 2 months for my YouTube in here, just for me to keep track. And then this was another dashboard I made using the PDF images. Coming here, this is another image I purchased off of Etsy and created myself. I just blew it up, added the bow, blew this side up as well. Anyways, this is for birthdays. It turned out super cute. I wanted the bows with my celebrations page because, as you can tell, I have a ton of birthdays with close friends and family, and anyways, I have to keep track of it. This one here, I threw all of these images together, making this page marker here. Again, having this Chanel bag hang off so it can be used as a tab divider. It's a page marker. I love it. I made these weekly menus just out of Excel as well. I print them myself just to save time and money. But so that's been fun. This here, she's another page marker. She was purchased from an Etsy shop. Adorable. I just love her. And then here I created my grocery shopping list. I had this on an 8x10 already made on my fridge, but anyways, I compressed it down and made it a front and back. So it has, you know, produce, meats, proteins, dairy, deli, breakfast, frozen items, breads, pasta, rice, canned goods, and then I have on the back side baking, beverages, condiments, spices, snacks, household goods, toiletries, and other. So I just keep some of those in there. I did originally have this laminated and was using whiteout markers, but I ended up preferring to be able to rip out my grocery list rather than carry my planner around in the store while I'm shopping. So my next tab comes to this beautiful Chanel model. So freaking cute. You guys, I'm obsessed with my planner. But these also can be popped in and out. I just think she's so cute and fun. This is my online shopping tracker that I created in Excel, and I just added these little PNG or PDF images here to just dress it up a little bit. But basically, as you know, when you order from Etsy, most of it's handmade, so it takes a long time to get here. Then I have this other model. She's super cute and chic. Her little toes hang off, her head pops up. I just love the versatility of these, how they can pop in and out and put them where you want. Okay, now this section here, this is my money section, my wallet section. All of these envelopes and everything were purchased off of Amazon. What I did here, they're top loading, so that's really nice. And then I created, again in Excel, I have my tabs here. These are just temporary until the ones I've ordered off of Etsy get here. They're coming from Singapore, so they're gonna be here like in another couple weeks. I can do an updated video on that too when they come in. But then I just cut these to size and I just use decorative washi tape for each envelope. So I have my groceries, my household, pets, beauty section, that's gone because I already spent all of it before this COVID-19 outbreak. My clothing, which this is for the entire family. And And then commissions, this is, we pay our kids weekly commissions for the work they do. And anyway, so we budget that out. I have gift money because, as you saw, I have a million birthdays and celebrations within my family and close friends. And then here is our family fun and date night section. So if we order pizza or if we go to the movies or anything, it comes out of this. If my husband and I go on date night, it all comes out of this. And then, you know, when all of this is gone, it's gone until next payday. So we follow the Dave Ramsey budget system. So it's been really great and I love it. And again, these are all top loading, see-through, transparent. It's great. Okay, now this beauty, she was purchased from Etsy as well, and she also gave me this adorable paper clip. It is so cute. But anyways, I put this here because this is my planner fund. I told you at the beginning of this video I was saving for a very fancy planner. It just happens to be a Louis Vuitton planner. And so I've been working my butt off, saving my money, and when I have it all here, I want to go and have the full experience in the store and get my planner. So anyways, and then here I have my driver's license, debit cards. These are just my business cards I cut so that my actual credit, you know, my card numbers weren't showing at all. And I keep these in here, these business cards, at all times. That way, when I'm flipping through or anything, nobody can get my information. And then on this back one and this back side, these are gift cards. My kids got these in their Easter baskets. So they asked me to keep them in my wallet so they don't forget it when they want to go to Burger King and Taco Bell. And then my husband and I have P.F. Chang's, AMC. We have family movie tickets here. And then Barnes & Noble, what's left. And this black envelope, this is actually a zipper envelope. I just keep some stamps in there. I was keeping change in there, but it was getting too bulky. So I'm like, I will use this for my stamps, for coupons, possibly some receipts or any important small things that can fit in there. Then we come to the back. There is this underneath pocket here. I haven't really used it. However, I did use this pocket here, and of course my pen loop. I love these felt tip pens. They're great. So this here, I made me an emergency contact sheet, again in Excel. I just have the planner that, you know, it belongs to me. If found, call me. And then I have name, phone number, and the relationship in case I lose my planner anywhere or I forget my phone somewhere and have to make a phone call. It's all listed there. So there you have it. That is my planner. I absolutely love it. I'm hoping within another month or so, I will have enough money to go get my Louis Vuitton agenda. We'll see though, with the whole COVID-19, I don't know. But anyways, this is it. I love it. I have lots of planner clips coming. I have my divider tabs coming. And so I will do an update once I get those and as they come in. And other than that, that's it until I get the planner I want and can go out and about. You know, it's been hard because we're quarantined. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, I will link whatever I can down below. Thank you. Bye-bye.